Well, it is May and we have done virtually nothing in our veg garden or the polytunnel. Everything's been left to its own devices because of all the severe weather we've had with the heavy rain. It's raining at the moment, but the sun is trying to come out. So what I'm looking at is I'm going to clear the polytunnel. I've done most of the weeding anyway, but clear, and then what I'm going to do is the plants I've got, tomato plants, cucumber, some broccoli, are all going in. And then we can get on to moving a grapevine that's outside to the opposite side of the shed. I think that's my plan of attack for today. As I was saying, the actual soil is, if you can actually see it, if I can get the camera right, you have to excuse me, I'm getting used to the camera. Look at that, it is absolutely beautiful. Worked very hard on this, filling it, making sure I got worms in here and everything. I have weeded once already, as I've said before, but I need a couple of more weeds, as you can see, taking out. Well, as you can see, my blackberry bush is in full bloom. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And next to it is my blueberry bush, which is fruiting. There you can see it. However, look at that, and look at this. Something has been munching my blueberry bush. Going next to it, well, this is a raspberry bush, which is absolutely, it's a bundle of beautiful different shades of green. Absolutely gorgeous. Not flowering yet. I like that. Then onto my gooseberry bush, which, oh my goodness, which is absolutely gorgeous. And look at this. Let's get a close up on this. These beauties, eh? Look at them. I've got gooseberries, folks, for the first time. They got eaten last year, but this time they seem to be well, we have success, a mini success. I'm going on to here now. Now if I move that, you can see, she says, there you go, apples growing. Yeah, I'm made up with that. I've actually got apples developing on my apple tree, which I am made up with. Look at that. I've just spotted a snail. Well, so that's 2 apple trees, one next to each other. And then I've got my grapevine. Oh, well, I'll tell you what, I've just spotted a, if I can get the filming right, look at this, just zoom in on that. There you go, look at that. That's a beautiful specimen of an apple growing. However, it's what's behind it. This is the grapevine I was on about, I've cut down, which is going to be moved to the opposite side. If we go along, I've got a plum tree, which I've already started to, if I can move back a bit, which I've already started to train. Unfortunately, the ladders are there because obviously we've not been in the garden that much. It's going through the ladder. But what I've done is I'm training it to have one branch going one way and one going another, so I can get it closer to the fence. So that's about it on that one. If I turn round to the side again, I've got my poorly pear tree with the same problem as last season, which we do need to deal with it, because somebody will tell me what that is. That's from the decking, that plant there. I've got a pile of potatoes growing behind the stand there, which I've just moved temporarily. This is where the grapevine's going, up along the shed there. I have some strawberries growing, although I've not, as you can see, I've not really looked after these. I've sort of half neglected it, but as you can see, the ones over there are doing much better.
Well, Michelle's done a sterling job here. We've both been suffering a little bit with flu, colds and what have you. It's terrible, but anyhow, so obviously we're inside. Our Polytunnel, give it a quick whiz round. Our rubbish up there, look. It's a granddaughter's watering can when she comes in. There's the essentials. That's our grapevine that grows inside. That was last year, that. Can I how much that's grown already this year? Yeah. So we'll set that up over there and down that bar there and along that bar there. So these are tomato plants that Michelle's planted. I think that's Elsa Craig's in the first one, and then it's that'll be Money Maker in the middle, and then that's Beefsteak, and then the same again going up there. There's the she's also planted some chilies. You can see there we've got a Scotch bonnet chilli there. I don't know where she's put away as the other one. What's this one? Hang on, bear with me a sec. We've got an Armageddon. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? An Armageddon. So we'll take you through when we do them. We also plant marigolds. It keeps pests away, that, or helps to. Bit late starting this year. Here's the cucumbers, I think. First time we've been in, obviously. Oh no, that's another chili pepper there, look. Another chili pepper, if I zoom in on that for you. And then up here, I think, let me just get my foot on there. I think these are more tomatoes up here, bear with me a sec. Yeah, some more tomato plants there. Along here, oh, hang on, what's this here? There we go. Oh yes, well that's the broccoli. And pretty much that's as far as we've got this year. Been a busy year, if I'm honest with you. And last year, what we did was we started really early. And when we went away, we always go away in June for Michelle's birthday. When we come back, it had all just gone absolutely bananas. So we decided to start late this time. And hopefully when we get back, we can control everything, because everything just shot off away with us last year. Well, there you go. It's one grapevine. She's done a cracking job in here today. Absolutely brilliant job. There you go. That's the start of our Polytunnel. We'll keep you updated with this one as the year progresses. So guys, this is the end of this video. It's just a short one, just to introduce you to the other side of our life. We do like our gardening. We'll take you through it all. We'll show you the beginning of it, which we're not going to show you yet, and we'll show you the end of it, because we've had a very, very slack winter in the garden. Got to be honest with you. But you'll see the before, and then you'll see the after. So if you want to follow us on this little journey, even better. Anyhow, we love you all. Thanks for all your subscribers. If you guys are watching this and you've not subscribed, please just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. It means ever so much to us. Thank you all very much. But for this one, I'll be seeing you.